DIS has been going now for over 35 years. We're a solutions provider in the IT industry, so that can range from network infrastructure, enterprise wireless networks, and also cloud and data services. And we also branch into security, such as network video, network and cloud-based access control, and all of these services we fully support in-house.
Some of the challenges we've previously encountered are getting the lines installed, so delays in circuit installations, additional costs, or sort of hidden costs that we weren't aware of. Also the communication with the provider, being able to actually talk to the person we need to speak to, whether that's the account manager or the engineers. Had a few issues with them, so we fortunately met on Node 4.
When we first started talking to Node 4, it became evident very quickly that they were a company that we'd like to deal with. Very similar to us, they have the personal touch. Overall, the company seems to work on the same ethics that we do here at DIS.